So hi guys, this will be a small introductory video regarding our website the learnxacademy.lk. So as soon as you visit the site, you'll be prompted to the home page, right? So if you need to view all the courses available in the site, you'll have to go to all courses here or else here, right? So view all courses. So and if you are in search of physics lessons, right, so you'll have to select the advanced level physics categories. It would filter all the physics lessons available, right? So if you are in search of combined mathematics lessons, you will have to select the combined mathematics category. It would filter once again all the maths lessons, right? So you can further filter them as well. For example, now if you are only in search of frameworks, so you could select this, right? So in that case, it would show you the framework lesson, right? So the all the lessons that are available are in this sub section as well, right? So for example, calorimetry. Okay, right. So next, let us see. So now if you need to get access to a certain lesson, right? So what you have to do is like select the lesson that you need to get access to, go into that, and like all the information regarding the content that is being covered in the lesson is mentioned in the description, and also in the materials included. All what's been included in the course is also mentioned, right? So next, what you have to do is you have to add to cart, right? So if you have already logged into your account, right, so you would not be prompted to this kind of a login this thing. But if you have not, if you are logging in for the first time, you'll have to So guys, as soon as you register, you will be once again taken to this page, right? So here what you have to do is, guys, you'll have to once again place weave cart, right? So in that weave cart, you will have to click proceed to checkout, right? And then you would have to give all your names and all the required information, and you will have to next place the order. So when you place the order, next you will have to like make the bank payment, right? You'll have to make the bank payment. This is a direct bank payment, right? So you will have to deposit your the amount that is shown here, the total, along with the description. In the description, better include this order number, right? So when you make an online bank transfer, so like make sure to include this in the description as well. So in that case, as soon as you make the place the bank uh, order, it's like, I mean, like when you make the payment, you would be given access, right? You would be given access. As soon as you do that, you're going to be given access to the videos. Admin panel would give you access. Then so once you make the payment, you will receive an email that you've given access to. It seems like you will receive an email from our admin panel that you are given access to. It seems. So once again, go to the course that you purchased, right? So now of course you would have access to the course, right? So like see, so you can start the course, right? So you can start the course, so you can start weaving anything, right? So now of course everything is working. So like you will have to like for example, if you need to cover this section, so when you select it, it will take you into the Zoom registration page. So you'll have to like register your name and email, and so as soon as you register, guys, you will be taken into the video and
Right. So
all the
today
stuff, right?
is
So you'll be
one
able
of
to
the
view all the
most important
required things.
session
Thank you, guys.
that